Hi, I am Mahesh Sundaran. I'm working with Apollo Tyres as Group Manager for OE and Institutional Business. To start with, I'll share how I decided to join IIM Trichy Chennai campus and what were my initial thoughts then. The need for MBA was felt because at a stage in your career, you need to have an additional qualification to move up the ladder in the organization. So, my primary reason I chose an MBA course was for my career growth prospects. Then I had a choice between doing a real MBA and for a namesake MBA. Namesake MBA, you guys know there are a lot of universities giving or institutes giving MBAs in a short span time, and the learnings would not be that much. I took feedback from many of my colleagues, including my HR colleagues, and one of my HR colleagues suggested that I do my course from IIM Trichy Chennai campus. When I came to IIM Trichy Chennai campus, I was really amazed with the flexibility they offered in the learning. The classes were in the weekends, so your professional life and your student life, there was little overlap in the entire. And the good thing about IIM was that they used to, at that point of time, they were one of the institutes which were giving us an alumni status. The course was rigorous, so there was a good opportunity for deep learning there. If I talk about the best moments of my experience here, academically, I got it in the director's merit list. It talks about the top 5 students of the batch. Then there were a lot of new learnings from process and my batchmates. Personally, I had an opportunity to strengthen my interpersonal skills. I took up the challenging role of an academic secretary where there was a lot of collaboration between students as well as from the institute. We also had opportunity to discuss with various professors, bringing in new electives which reflected the market requirements. So, a couple of electives were also brought in by our batch. And on a professional front, there are a lot of learnings which got implemented in the work. Yes, it got recognition from the managers and was well appreciated. There are certain milestones which I would say one of the major milestone I could say which I have derived from this program is that I had many questions in my mind when my company used to do a lot of changes, like why my organization is doing this thing, why my organization is doing that, and somehow I also lost touch with reading. This course also helped me to give a better understanding and a deeper understanding of each management concepts and why certain companies take action at certain point of time. So the initial resistance to change was got over. I become a change resistant guy to a pro change guy, and overall, it gave us an entrepreneurial outlook. It strengthened your entrepreneurial outlook, and you look at each problem from a different perspective, from a larger perspective, and then you also granulate into the deeper things and try to understand the issue in detail and bring in more solutions. From my capstone industry project, the project was helpful for me to realize that in a B2B environment, there are factors which are beyond price, which makes a critical impact in business decisions. Much more important in IIM Trichy Chennai campus is the beautiful opportunity of peer learning. You have people from different industries studying with you together. There are a lot of challenges on the industries. One thing you first you will be able to know more about a particular industry. You also appreciate the kind of challenges those industries are facing. There might be some challenges with the industries have solved there. My batchmates would have solved this problem in their own companies. So these learnings we can try to inculcate and emulate in our worksphere also. And the one biggest advantage of doing MBA in IIM Trichy Chennai campus is that you have a lot of case studies. I mean, the case studies gives you a deeper understanding of the different marketing frameworks, and it will also share the pitfalls and the solutions which have been derived from those cases. So the case study was also an opportunity where you have a lot of interaction with your process. Sometimes you challenge your process on the solutions. You dig out different opportunities and different solutions, and we used to have a very good debate. And the end thing was the learning was much more deeper. You understood the things more in detail, and the classes were much more interactive. If you ask me what is the one problem which I have solved when this pandemic, and that I can attribute to this course, a 2-year course which I have done in IIM, is that I have taken a couple of electives one was managing and leading organizational change. So that subject helped me a lot in understanding the importance of organizational change, why we need to adapt faster to new normal. I mean, COVID was a huge disruption, and we had to adapt to new normal. This course actually helped me to realize that we had to be pro change. We can't stuck in past. We should look at future. And there were multiple. There was one more elective called multiple intelligence in leadership. So we talked about three basic quotients for a leaders, which are creativity, empathy, and adversity quotient. And this learning helped me at this crucial time that we need to, as a leader, we need to have these three important quotients, how we can develop these quotients, and how well we can also communicate both up the organization and down the organization. And the biggest gain is the relationship I've built in my batchmates, along with my batchmates, and the learnings which I've got from my batchmates. So I will also say there are a lot of opportunities for my people from my industry also to learn. I would say if you join this course, 2 years course, not just the academic part, the learning from the peer people are also very good. So you get to develop a deeper understanding of the various management concepts. You will be working in diverse teams in groups. So each group, each elective or each paper will have different groups. So you have an opportunity to interact with different people of different personalities, work together and bring out a common solution within the agreed timeline. And we also have an opportunity to understand, like in other industries, how the similar problems are solved, whether we can take those learnings and adapt it to our environment and then bring those solutions in our own organization. Finally, I would say that IIM Trichy's Chennai campus PGPM program is more than just an MBA. See, it is very unique. This is one of the programs where you happen to go to the classes and weekends, and you have a face-to-face interaction with your professors, your batchmates. You have the rigor is really, it is very much rigorous. It is really good. I would say the rigor is good. You need to have that kind of rigor. That's only then you will push you to learn much more in detail. And we also had a beautiful opportunity of learning in groups, managing people of different personalities and working together, bringing our submissions within the timeline. So there was a lot of fun and learning together. And needless to say, IIM as a global brand and IIM Trichy as also blessed with qualified and experienced faculty. Their sessions are highly interactive, so they take full care in to ensure that the students have understood the concept. If you have not understood the concept, you can always go back to your professor and ask for doubts. If you can also go back to your seniors, and that's where we also learned. So in some cases, I gone to my seniors to help me out in certain concepts, and similarly, my juniors have also come to us to asking for new learnings and maybe clearing some theories which they had from their classes. So I would say overall, the last 2 years I spent my time well, and the opportunity to learning was tremendous, and we were blessed to have studied in IIM Trichy Chennai campus. Thank you, friends.